When cataloguing data, it is important to be able to look at whole data groups from a perspective unrestricted by object types and technical categories. Every Accurity solution now includes a tagging system that lets you assign every object you create a custom tag. Each tag can be assigned regardless of object type. This allows you to create thematical, business-defined groups of objects across Accurity and enables the use of any data governance methodology you wish. Using tags, you can filter through objects or display all objects using the same tag at once, allowing you to see how your data is categorized from a business-defined perspective. Add an extra layer to categorization of your data. Find tagging now in Accurity. Check our website at accurity.ai to learn more about the benefits that our new features can bring to you.